I offer what is welding, is the joining of metals. There's a big industry here. It's a big industry, and I teach the fundamentals for the industry, which covers everything related with metal fabrication. We do a lot of the industrial here. There's a lot of pipe welding, arc welding, MIG, TIG. My first years, welding 1 is the fundamentals of this job: safety, OSHA, familiarization, ethics, work ethics, hands-on. Start getting approaching the kids to the program. Other than that, that following year, we do more advanced welding. Let the kids do their own thing, be familiarized with every process that we do here. Like I said, arc, MIG, TIG, and the cutting process. Okay, I focus most on the hands-on, obviously, right? Welding, and they get to practice. They actually get to apply what they learn. And in a math class, what I teach them is they learn in the classroom, we start the classroom, and we come outside in the shop, and then we apply it. And we apply the safety, we apply even the ethics, being on time, being responsible workers, and then slowly but surely we move on to the process of welding, and then they start welding, they start putting metal together, they start working with blueprints, they start working with all the metal, with all the tools, from scratch to an end product. I don't know if they want to build a trailer, they want to build something. We design it, and we're able to see a finished product from scratch. That's the difference between us and other classes. A good job, they're getting used to always turning in a well-finished, complete job, at their best skills. Hey guys, my name is Alejandro Camarillo. I'm the welding instructor. I would love to have you guys in my class. Please talk to your counselor, submit, come by the shop. See you soon.
This video is made possible by funding from the Strong Workforce Program and the Imperial County Office of Education, where we empower our community to be an ideal place to live, learn, and work.